長者係非常之重要嘅。點樣保持我哋嘅身體平衡同埋我哋嘅腳有力呢？咁其實依家我哋現實生活中啊，大家唔係擔心啊點樣快變老，係最緊要個腳點樣保持有力嚇。因為呢，如果我哋唔小心啊，點樣一跌倒呢，將會影響我哋一路落嚟嘅生活質量同埋好多方面嘅嚇，家人要照顧你啦，各方面下影響咗大家嘅生活素質嘅，所以係非常之重要。市政廳亦都係好重視嘅。依家好多 Build House 都開始教我哋嘅長者點樣保持身體嘅平衡，防止跌倒。咁睇下先，我哋咧今日咧就係請到資深脊骨神經治療師阿 Ben 靚仔嚇，帥哥靚仔同埋我哋嘅中醫師徐怡然醫生嚇，為大家咧帶嚟專業同實用嘅健康知識分享啦。咁現場咧仲安排咗一陣睇下佢哋點安排。我哋嘅計劃咧就係有安排咗平衡力嘅測試示範啦，互動教學同埋針灸保健體驗嘅。咁希望大家學有所用有收穫啦。希望大家咁咧我簡單介紹一下我哋今日嘅醫師，大家知道係阿 Ben 係。Can you stand for Evelyn Geiger？ 係啦，俾啲掌聲下，好後生係咪？佢係有7年嘅臨床經驗嘅整骨脊醫。佢咧2025年移居咗荷蘭，佢原先係響新加坡，唔係新西蘭咁咧目前咧係負責2間嘅診所嘅。致力於為鹿特丹周邊嘅居民咧帶嚟更全面嘅健康同福祉服務嘅。咁咧佢非常熱愛自己嘅工作珍惜每一日能夠分享健康知識，傳播嗰個健康理念俾大家嘅。咁咧呢次講座裏邊，佢將圍繞預防跌倒同埋輕鬆活動身體，以及保持健康嘅活力等主題分享實用嘅建議同專業嘅見解。咁通過對脊柱同神經系統嘅深入理解，阿 Ben 咧Dr. Ben 咧就將為大家帶大家認識身體嘅平衡同埋行動能力之間嘅關係啦。咁分享簡單而有效嘅方法，幫助大家健康老齡化，保持獨立嘅生活能力。呢個就係 Dr. Ben 再一次俾掌聲同 applause 佢入嚟。OK。咁另外一位靚女啦，就係徐怡然老師醫生，中醫師佢咧嚟自中醫生嘅家庭，從細咧就響中醫嘅環境裏面成長嘅，深受大家嗰個治未病，即係防止理念嘅影響，對中醫養生同埋整體嘅健康調整，始終懷有濃厚嘅熱誠。咁咧，響2021年咧，佢已經系統學習咗中醫基礎理論同針灸療法嘅。響2025年咧，喺鹿特丹開設咗診所，開展咗臨床嘅工作。咁咧，佢關注中老年嘅健康管理啦，致力通過中醫養生、經絡調理同埋日常嘅身體機能維護，幫助長者增強體力、改善平衡能力、降低跌倒嘅風險，從而提高生活嘅質量同埋獨立嘅行動能力啦。咁仲有就係徐醫生咧，精通國語、粵語、荷蘭語同英語嘅，佢希望以方便大家熟悉嘅語言，或者係更溫和、實用、可持續嘅方法嚟幫助大家啦。咁樣大家都係俾啲掌聲，靚女 咁啊，我想問一問在座嘅如果唔識聽粵語嘅，只係識聽國語嘅，舉一舉手，我睇下有幾多人。犀利嚇，全部都識聽係咪？但係咧，如果一陣咧有少少聽唔懂嘅咧，我都喺附近響聽呢度幫大家粵語。咁咧，但係徐醫生咧佢都精通粵語同國語嘅，但係有時有甩咳嗰啲詞咧，用粵語嘅咧，我會幫大家講一講嚇。咁 OK 啦，依家開始啦，好唔好？好。
And I'm a chiropractor at One Chiropractic Studio, which is very close to the train station nearby.
大家好，我係賓醫生，我係職住調理師。我有一間診所咧係好近個拉雅丹個火車站嘅。我係 Amy， 你大家可以叫我 Amy。我嘅廣東話咧唔係好嘅，但係我盡我嘅力量係講啦。如果有咩唔清楚嘅話咧，大家可以問下嘅咁樣。
I'm very grateful for the invitation to speak to you all today, and I'm very thankful that Amy can translate for me as well. So I appreciate your patience with that.
我好開心同埋好感激各位可以有呢個機會同大家見面啦，同大家分享我嘅經歷啦，同埋好多謝我同佢翻譯啦，但係都好多謝 Cindy 阿姨去幫我哋。
So let's get into it. The topic that I want to speak to you all about today is around the prevention of falls, which is a growing issue in our elderly populations.
今日嘅主題咧係點樣防止老年跌倒呢個問題咧，其實係應該係對老年嚟講非常重要、非常大一個問題嘅。
So my intention today is just to create some more awareness and education on how we can help to manage our risk and protect each other from suffering from these kinds of accidents.
咁我今日嘅目的咧就係想同大家分享點樣去降低呢個風險，點樣可以讓大家同埋互相咁幫助可以降低呢個風險。
So a little bit about me. I'm a chiropractor and I love all things health and wellness.
佢係接觸調理師，佢對健康呢啲主題嘅都好有經驗，同埋好中意同人分享嘅。
I am originally from New Zealand, on the other side of the world, and I moved to the Netherlands 1 year ago.
佢嚟自紐西蘭，佢2025年嗰時喺移居到荷蘭嘅。
And my passion is all about helping people achieve greater health. So whether that is better movement, better feeling, better thinking, my job is to help people be healthier. 佢嘅工作咧就係幫到大家可以增強健康，點樣去健康啦？佢呢個係佢嘅工作嚟嘅。And I am also a speaker, and you'll figure out very quickly I like to talk. 佢都係國級演講師，佢中意講嘢嘅。我諗佢話你等陣就會知道佢好中意講嘢㗎啦。So I just want to start with some questions surrounding falls to present the importance of what we're discussing. 我哋開始之前咧，想先問一個大家個問題。呢個問題咧係希望大家意識到呢個今日嘅主題嘅主要性。Does anybody know what the Netherlands' largest contributor to hospitalized injuries is every year? 你哋大家知唔知道喺荷蘭住院最大嘅原因係咩咧？跌親係啦。Yes. Yeah. And what is the Netherlands' leading cause of injury deaths? 咁喺荷蘭，如果有傷之後，最大嘅即係點講啊？即係去世即係死個最大嘅原因係咩？ So it's about 90%. 都係跌倒90%，都係因為跌倒之後去世嘅。And finally, which age group do we think is the most at risk of experiencing falls? 邊個年齡段係跌倒有最大嘅危險咧？60、70、
60 to 70, then you're correct.
So none of these people.
全部都唔係你哋嘅，但係65歲以上係。
So why are we doing this? Some statistics, so 1 in every 3 people above 65 have experienced a fall in the last 12 months.
我哋點解有今日有呢個主題咧？即係應該喺過去即係過去1年咧，應該1/3嘅人都曾經跌倒過嘅。
And 20% of those incidents required hospitalization.
咁佢呢啲人20%啲人咧，都需要住院治療嘅。
Fall risk usually increases due to gradual changes with the body over time, which can make us more prone to hazards in and around the home.
咁跌倒嘅原因都係因為我哋嘅身體除咗時間嘅變化都會變化啊嘛。咁變老或者變化身體逐漸變化之後，對我哋屋企啊或者係環境嘅危險咧，都會比較容易影響到我哋㗎。
So falls can cause fractures and other injuries that often require long-time hospital care and then create long-term impairment.
跌倒咧去造成傷害，同埋都會讓我哋有好長時間要住院或者係要恢復嘅。
I would highly recommend visiting a chiropractor to get checked if you've ever experienced a fall yourself or you are concerned about the risk of.
如果你跌倒咧，雖然冇受好大嘅傷啊，佢都建議大家去脊椎治療個診所去檢查下自己嘅健康嘅。
Has anybody here seen a chiropractor before?
你哋有冇去嘗試過去了解或者係去見過脊椎診療師㗎？呢度有冇㗎？可唔可以舉下手啊？啊，有。
Okay, so where do falls often happen?
如果跌倒一般係喺邊度咧？
They can happen to anyone anywhere, but falls requiring hospitalization are most common in the elderly population on a flat surface in their own home.
跌倒咧可以發生喺任何人身上，都可以發生任何地方，但係大多數咧都係發生喺自己屋企，特別係特別平嘅地方嘅。
And in terms of confidence, when falls don't always cause an injury, they often trigger a loss in confidence in the older person, leading to a fear of moving or falling again.
就算咧你跌倒之後冇受傷，但係其實咧都係對你自己嘅信心都有影響嘅。你跌倒之後，你會產生嗰種恐懼感啊嘛，咁呢個恐懼感去減少你平時嘅運動嘅。
So over time, this can reduce the amount these people are moving, which can also further increase the risk of falling.
咁你驚啦，你好恐懼自己去再跌倒咧，你咁減少你自己嘅運動咧，但係你減少運動咧，其實係造成下一次跌倒嘅危險會增大嘅。
So a lot of falls can be prevented, and the risk of injury greatly reduced.
其實好多跌倒咧係可以預防嘅，係可以避免嘅。
Motivation, proper habits, and better awareness on how to reduce risk, we can all play our part in this cause.
其實你平時嘅意願啊，或者係你個飲食啊，你個生活習慣啊，其實都可以幫到你可以去減少你個跌倒嘅風險嘅。
So hands up, who would like to avoid falling or prevent falls from happening to other people they care about?
呢個係個問題啦。如果你想幫到自己同埋其他人到咧，請舉手。大家應該都唔想跌倒啦，係咪？大家都想幫到其他人跌倒啦，係咪？
So why might older people fall?
點解年長或者係老年人會咁容易跌倒咧？
Poor concentration or clumsiness is not always the answer.
即係唔係因為你唔小心啊，或者係唔注意啊，唔係呢啲原因㗎。
So other reasons include progressive changes to their bodies over time with age.
即係大多數原因咧，係因為你隨咗時間嘅變化咧，你自己嘅身體都會慢慢係變化嘅。
having dangers or hazards in and around the home.
咁喺屋企咧，嗰啲有啲危險啊，或者係有啲即係好似好似喺屋企有啲電線啊咁放喺路上啊，即係行路個通道唔係咁通啊，都會有原因嘅。
And then also having poorer general health and well-being down to personal habits.
或者係因為自己個人嘅習慣啊，或者飲食啊，同埋嗰啲生活習慣唔係咁健康啦，都會影響到你嘅。
So we're going to get a bit deeper into the changes in our bodies with age.
咁而家佢慢慢同大家講隨我哋嘅身體有咩具體嘅變化。
Some of the things we help a lot of people with include problems experienced with the balance, so having unsteadiness when people are walking.
佢跟住據佢自己嘅經驗咧，佢經常會幫到老人家行路唔平衡啊，即係嗰啲步伐唔平衡。
Having weaker muscles, which can make it harder to move your legs and walk and go upstairs.
咁你嘅肌肉唔好似年青人咁有力啊嘛，撐唔到你自己嘅身體，佢都可以幫到嘅。
Whose bodies work as well as they did 20 years ago?
邊個嘅人嘅身體好似佢自己20歲嗰時咁健康或者咁有力啊？冇。Even I am not the same as when I was 20 years old.
You can also have eyesight changes as well, which can make it harder to obviously see in response to glares or reflections or at night time.
同埋咧，我哋嘅眼咧，除咗時間嘅推移變到我哋嘅眼都即係睇嘢都唔係咁清楚噶啦。有時夜晚咧睇到都特別唔清楚嘅係咪？我睇到好多人係咁點解會係啊？
Having slower reaction times also, so having poor reflexes and responses that can result in less stability.
同埋我啲反應冇咁快啦，如果反應唔咁快咧，有時都會讓我哋即係唔係咁平衡啦，即係嗰啲呢啲嘢都係同即係有聯絡啊嘛。
And the presence of other health issues such as incontinence or Parkinson's or high blood pressure, these things can all increase the risks as well.
除咗年齡嘅增長咧，都有其他疾病啊，好似係高血壓啊、尿失禁啊呢啲嘢都會對我哋有影響噶嘛嚇。
So dangers in and around the home.
而家咧就係同大家講下屋企有咩危險嘅事。
Almost 2 in every 3 falls happen in and around home.
1/3嘅跌倒事件係發生喺屋企嘅。
Most commonly, these hazards
症啊都會讓我哋嘅平衡力唔係咁好啦，咁平衡力唔好咧就可以容易跌倒。
Changes in blood sugar levels due to diabetes can make you feel faint, impede sight, and then also reduce the feeling in your legs and feet.
高血糖會影響到我哋血糖啦，血糖唔好咧，咁你就會好睇得唔係咁清楚啦，同埋你感覺自己個腳啊有高血糖嘅人咧，感覺自己啲腳感覺唔係咁好嘅。
People suffering with Alzheimer's and other dementias can be less aware of their surroundings and respond less appropriately.
老人家有時會得嗰啲失智症啊嘛，失智症之後咧就會有啲對自己嘅環境嘅判斷力怎麼講？係判斷力就唔係咁清楚啦，就係容易讓我哋跌倒嘅。
And osteoporosis, so if there is a reduction in bone density, it can increase the risk of injuring when falling.
骨質疏鬆呢個係好容易跌倒之後，我造成骨折嘅。
So how are falls typically treated?
咁你如果跌倒之後，你要點樣做咧？或者係要防止跌倒，你應該要做啲乜嘢咧？
So if you've had a fall or you are concerned about your risk of experiencing a fall, you might want to consider the following things.
咁你想避免跌倒，你應該考慮一下佢以下講啲嘢啦。
Supplements such as vitamin D and calcium support strong bone health.
要補充啲維他命 D 同埋鈣質、鈣質 calcium。
reviewing medications that you're on regularly because certain side effects and interactions can increase the risk.
如果你食啲藥咧，即係家庭醫生俾啲藥食咧，你一定要經常去家庭醫生嗰去檢查。有啲西藥佢係有副作用㗎，咁你要經常去檢查下㗎。
Assessing eyesight regularly as well, because the earlier they can detect problems, the better the outcomes.
要檢查你個眼啊，即係睇得清唔清楚啊？呢啲要經常去檢查㗎。
You can get equipment like hip protectors to wear, which can prevent the fractures if you are to have a fall.
你可以去買嗰啲髖關節保護嗰啲腰帶啊，可以，但係嗰啲都可以幫到你，即係避免跌倒嚇。
In a podiatry assessment, so checking your feet if there are any pains, swelling, or pins and needles changing sensation.
都可以係經常做嗰啲腳檢查、腳健康檢查。
And finally, chiropractic assessment. So we assess the nervous system, which determines how well your brain communicates with your environment, which can help reactions and movement and balance.
都可以係揾燈去積聚療理師去做檢查嘅，佢哋檢查你個神經系統同埋你個大腦係咪即係合作比較好，可以睇下你個整個身體嘅系統係咪啱嘅。
And acupuncture.
And of course， 佢都去針灸。
So how can we learn to prevent falls? There are many ways to reduce the risk.
咁我哋點樣可以減少跌倒嘅風險呢？
Lifestyle habits and changes.
生活方面嘅生活習慣變化啦。
Changes to the home environment.
同埋我哋屋企環境嘅變化啦。
And supporting a healthy nervous system.
幫我哋嘅神經系統更加健康。
So keeping physically active, ideally 30 minutes or more every day to support strength and balance, such as Tai Chi, dancing, or group exercise classes.
日咁做啲運動係好嘅，最好係一週5天，一個禮拜5天，一天30分鐘左右做啲比較適合你自己嘅運動，或者係打太極啊、跳舞啊、同啲朋友一齊去行街啊，呢啲都可以㗎。
Being conscious of diet, so enjoying a wide variety of foods, especially in the warm months.
So 要食啲要平衡㗎，你唔好淨中意食嗰啲肉啊，或者係菜啊，都要乜都要食啲嘅，同埋飲水都好重要嘅，一日飲夠水嚇。
And being mindful if you have been sitting or lying down a long time to come up slowly to prevent posture-related dizziness.
咁最重要咧係要自己要有呢個意識。所以你坐低嗰時咧，要起身嗰時一定要慢慢嚟嚇。你瞓覺醒嗰時，你一定要慢慢咁起身，冇急嚇。
Changes in the home environment, you can also make positive changes to different hazards.
咁喺屋企啲環境咧，你自己都可以做啲變化嘅。
So for lighting, things like night lights, net curtains, or blinds to reduce glare and support walking rooms like areas.
第一個因素係嗰啲屋企咧一定要開燈，即係夜晚起身嗰時一定要開燈嚇，同埋嗰啲窗簾啊，有時要打開窗簾，有嗰啲陽光入嚟，你睇得到自己行嘅路啊嘛。
To prevent slipping, so obviously non-slip mats, having more support and rails installed, or cleaning surfaces regularly, so for example in the shower.
Yeah. 你個地面咧冇放嗰啲唔係好穩陣嘅嘢嘅，特別係沖涼個地方一定要防水，一定要做好防水，做好清潔。平時行路嗰時都要做好清潔，冇放嗰啲嘢即係好容易喐。咁你企唔穩嗰時就好容易跌倒㗎啦。
And to prevent tripping up, ideally proper fitting shoes, and then also just minimizing the cause that are.
Yeah. So 第三個係着嗰啲鞋啊，一定要啱你自己嘅，一定要啱個 size 係一定要啱自己腳着嗰啲鞋。跟住最重要係喺屋企上好似電視呢啲一定要注意，一定要讓佢哋即係喺個走廊嗰度容易絆到啊嘛。
Now, nervous system care. So research shows if your spine lacks proper movement, then your brain cannot work as well as possible.
研究證明咧，如果你嘅脊椎如果你嘅脊椎唔夠靈活咧，你個腦咧就結收唔到你個身體俾佢嘅信息係。
So movement is always the best medicine.
所以咧一定要注意要活動嘅，一定要運動嘅。
Now, for sight, within chiropractic, we provide care to the whole nervous system. So these include the cranial nerves for seeing, for balancing.
即係你個脊椎係同埋你睇啲嘢咧，對你嘅眼咧，同埋對你聽，因為我哋嘅耳啊，即係我哋嘅耳係平衡好重要嘅。你呢度都係有神經嘅，咁你個脊椎好重要係因為佢所有都連接係你個眼、你個耳同埋你個腦都係有連接嘅，所以個脊椎嘅活動靈活係好重要。
If your spine is stuck, that means your brain cannot properly communicate and control and coordinate within the body. So if your spine moves well, your body has a better chance of working better.
如果你嘅脊椎係靈活咧，佢可以將你身體嘅好多信息傳入到你大腦嘅。所以你嘅脊椎係好重要，一定要靈活，一定要多運動。
Your spine protects your nerves, but it's your job to protect your spine.
你個脊椎係要保護你個神經，但係你要保護你嘅脊椎。
So thank you for hearing me today, and then I would just like to take you all through a very basic exercise, if that's okay, to support better balance and blood flow.
多謝晒大家喺聆聽，咁佢而家咧想教大家一啲好簡單嘅動作，可以保護好你嘅脊椎嘅。請大家起身啦，唔該。請將手舉過頭，然後咧做呢個動作，好大拇指。
With our thumbs pointing backwards, we want to squeeze our shoulder blades together.
咁你個手舉過頭之後咧，個手要往後伸延。
And then from there, we're going to bring our elbows.
跟住慢慢放低個手。
And again, squeeze your
shoulder
blades together.
Can you move it to the side so they can see you shoulder? Yeah.
So
move to 加緊你的肩膀。
And then without hitting your neighbor in the face, arms out.
跟住再將嗰啲手放開打平。
And then keep squeezing backwards.
平放之後再用力往後伸延。
Tucking your arms in.
跟住再收翻嗰啲手臂。
And then a last little squeeze back.
跟住再加緊你的。
And then let it go.
然後再放低。
You should feel after that a little bit of a rush or a little bit more freedom.
你做完呢個動作之後咧，你可以感覺到你個肩膀同埋個頭咧有啲嗰啲血轉運化發熱係發熱。呢個係最簡單嘅方式，係可以讓嗰啲血咧係到你個頭到你個腦嗰度嘅。你 repeat again， can you 等下先，後面嗰啲老人家可唔可以睇唔睇得到㗎？睇唔到係咪？你 cannot see you from the back side。咁佢喺後面。No, I don't know the movement。 Should we go this time go back？ 咁我哋行到後面再一次好唔好？
Or just copy the person in front of you, sure.
或者係你可以睇你前面嗰啲人係點做嘅，你 copy 前面嗰人。哦，好，錄起嚟咯。She will make the record.
Okay.
So，
So,
舉手係啦，舉手往後伸延，舉手往後伸延。
so we're trying to squeeze our shoulder blades together.
即係試下再往後啲肩膀往後伸延一下，再放低，慢慢放低，再往後伸延，跟住放手唔係放手平打平嚇，再往後伸延。點講？想翻去，放低。再嚟一次好唔好 ？Ben, can you demonstrate on the side so people can see？ 頭暈啊，有冇頭暈啊？有冇人頭暈啊？係啦，個步態唔係好穩，有冇啊？都係有係咪？我哋中醫係講肝血唔足，好容易呢肝血唔足咧，好容易就跌倒嘅，特別係而家起身嗰時好容易跌倒嘅。下一個係講腎主骨啊。有冇大家起身嗰時，年青嗰時咁起身咯喎，冇咩問題。但係而家係要慢慢嚟嘅，係咪？腰酸，舉手有冇腰酸啊？我自己都有嘅。驗尿多，夜晚起身上廁所，係啦。企好耐之後，你個腿、你個腳好攰啊，有冇啊？係咪？個好怕凍啊，有冇？係啦，呢個係腎虛嘅表現啊。咁腎虛咧都好容易跌倒之後好容易骨折嘅。咁嗰啲特別係腎虛嗰時個骨節係好容易受損嘅。脾主肌肉，肌肉冇力啊。行路嗰時拖步啊，你個腿真係好沉啊，即係覺得好個腿點解咁沉㗎？係咪？同埋冇晒力，好容易攰，上樓梯都好困難，係咪？呢個都同我哋嘅脾有關係嘅。講我哋嘅大髀嘅肌肉唔夠力啊，撐唔住我哋嘅身體啊。呢個係中醫講，即係你個肝、腎、脾好重要。我想同大家做一個互動環節，想大家喺1到2分鐘之內咧，慢慢起身，慢慢坐低，慢慢起身，慢慢坐低。你自己數下你自己可以做幾多，好冇？試下，慢慢嚟啊！你自己可以做到嘅你就做，你唔想做唔緊要㗎。咁你試下而家開始。慢慢起身，坐低，慢慢嚟啊，慢慢嚟。而家15秒啦。哇，好犀利喎你！仲有30秒，慢慢嚟啊，慢慢嚟。哇！我睇到真係好啲好多人都好犀利啊，真係好犀利啊！你哋
仲可以做好耐。
You're so good, doing good. 哇！你哋真係好犀利㗎，得1分鐘。請問女士你做得幾多啊？冇數啊！你好犀利都冇數。得啦，可以停啦。你做得幾多啊？我想問下，你有冇數？冇數，要數嘅喎。邊個數咗啊？邊個數喺1分鐘中做咗幾多？嗱，你舉手，你做咗幾多？4下，40下，哇！你真係好犀利，俾個掌聲佢好唔好？哇！真係好犀利啊！ 你可以睇下你自己做咗幾多，係咪屬正常？如果係65歲到69歲嘅男生，係1分鐘你做咗18次係正常嘅。係，如果你低於18次咧，你個腳嘅肌肉咧就要加長㗎啦。咁加強我同大家演示一下，你自己起身呢個動作咧，對你嘅大髀嘅健康好有利嘅。你喺屋企企住，你喺屋企睇電視嗰時咧都可以咁做㗎，即係坐起、站起、坐低、站起，呢個對你嘅大髀嘅肌肉訓練係好好嘅。如果你嘅腿咧唔係咁有力，你企身嗰時咧可以輕輕向前，好似你個低腰去攞嘢咁起嗰時你會穩咗好啲㗎。啊，睇到未？後面嘅老人家睇到未？嚇！如果你自己覺得你個大髀嘅肌肉係好健康嘅啦，你想增加佢嘅肌肉咧，你要坐低起身，呢個動作係好容易做㗎，冇咩危險，同埋喺屋企你睇電視嗰時都可以咁做啦，係咪？但係如果你個腿唔係咁夠力，你應該點起身啦？輕輕往前面傾斜往前傾，好似好想攞嘢執嘢咁樣嘅動作啦。跟住再慢慢起身，你咁樣去起到會好穩㗎，你咁樣去起得好穩㗎。先向前傾，好似你想隻嘢，跟住就起身，咁樣係最穩㗎啦。睇唔睇到？睇到。OK， 好。嗱，呢個係一個好簡單嘅動作嘅。咁中醫講咧，頭先講咗肝、腎、脾，係咪？咁中醫講有啲穴位係可以增加我哋嘅健康嘅。呢個穴位好重要，我諗大家都知道嘅，叫足三里，係咪？係咪都知道呢個穴位？佢喺邊度咧？佢係呢個我哋嘅手指放喺膝蓋下面，呢個地方係足三里。等陣咧，如果你哋想我幫你揾下個穴位咧，可以過嚟揾我㗎，冇問題。呢個穴位好重要，佢可以幫到我哋點樣啦？增強我哋下肢力量啦，幫助我哋提升個血啦，幫助我哋平衡能力增加啦。平時你一定可以多多按摩㗎，喺屋企睇電視啊，喺屋企我唔知喺屋企睇電視嗰時，你都可以自己按摩呢個穴位㗎，好好嘅，好重要嘅嚇。下一個穴位係湧泉穴，呢個係我哋腳底啊，呢個穴位都好容易揾㗎，佢可以改善我哋下肢穩定度啦。幫助我哋提升我哋腎氣啦，頭先講個腎氣好重要啊嘛，係咪？同埋頭暈啊，呢啲都可以改善我呢啲健康問題㗎。呢個穴位咧，夜晚你瞓覺之前，你應該點做啊？泡腳，攞啲溫水泡腳，泡腳，係啊，震腳嚇，震腳嗰時都會影響到呢個穴位嘅。好容易係咪？即係我平時啲生活節奏啊，或者生活習慣變一下，我哋都可以幫到我哋嘅身體嘅。下一個穴位咧，陽陵泉，佢可以改善我哋筋骨僵硬，這個詞好難說，筋骨僵硬係咪？僵硬，同埋膝關節唔穩定啊。特別適合嗰啲腿好軟啊、行唔到路啊啲老人家，呢個穴位多多按摩嚇。你如果呢個穴位可能比較難揾啲嘅，你等陣可以過嚟揾我，我可以教你點揾呢個穴位㗎嚇。呢啲穴位真係好重要嘅，對我哋老人家嚟講。 咁中醫你如果唔小心跌倒之後，你應該做啲乜嘢呢？一定係中醫講先睇神後睇骨。點先睇神呢？你跌倒之後，你要先問自己：我有冇頭暈啊？我係咪想嘔啊？我係咪懵懵地啊？我係咪想瞓覺啊？呢個係先睇神。中醫同西醫唔一樣嘅地方係我哋好重要個人個神，個神係好重要嘅。你一定要先睇神後睇骨。跌倒之後咧，你恢復跌打損傷先去醫。你應該點做呢？恢復之前你要活血，活血散瘀消腫，散瘀，唔該晒。通絡呢個好重要。你可以去針灸啦，你可以去食啲中藥啦，啲活血嘅中藥啦，做艾灸啦，嗰輕柔嗰啲運動啦，同埋呼吸嘅訓練都會幫到你嘅。呢個好重要。跌倒之後一定要先睇神後睇骨。危險動作加埋五件套係有乜呢？第一，半夜起身，你想好急去廁所，用唔開燈，係咪好容易跌倒呢？沖涼嗰時唔小心轉身好滑地好滑跌倒。着衣嗰時單腳着衣，着衣嗰時一定要小心嚇。着衫嗰時唔單腳，特別係有啲老人家咧，攞嘢啊，即咁攞嘢，即呢個時候即嗰啲腰不夠有力，你肌肉唔夠力啊，就好容易呢個時候跌到㗎啦，一定要注意，特別係夜晚起身嗰時一定要開燈，要讓自己睇得到，慢慢嚟，唔使急嚇。好，有幾個習慣咧係一定要嘅，每天要行啲路啊，一定要行路，一定要運動嘅，適當運動，唔係讓你去跑馬拉松啊，你一天係半個小時差唔多啦，係行啲路啊，見下朋友啊，跳下舞啊都可以㗎嚇。特別係頭先教咗大家點樣練大髀嘅肌肉，呢個都好重要嚇。第四件事定期檢查，一定去檢查。夜晚要開燈，我頭先都講過啦。咁今日咧，我哋嘅主題係咩啊？腿有力人唔老係咪？人老一定大家都會老㗎啦，但係就算老咧，你都可以好穩、好有力量㗎。咁今日我想同大家分享嘅就係咁多，我多謝晒大家花時間喺呢度聽我哋嘅演講。有咩問題咧，跟住都可以同我同斌再溝通等陣都可以幫你哋揾下個穴位啊，或者係針灸試下都可以，等下到時候你有問題再嚟問我哋啦。多謝晒喎。夜晚。一邊右邊左邊，咁你驚唔驚凍啊？驚凍㗎。你平時夜晚抽筋嗰時，你日頭嗰時係咪行好多路？即係唔同你平時嘅運動冇咩關係？有陣係咁樣。你有冇補充過 vitamin D 同埋食鈣片啊？都有食咗幾耐啊？好耐啊！有冇去查下血？查血喺家庭醫生嗰度查血，係查血同埋查 D、vitamin D 都有嘅係咪？你應該係查下㗎，查下嗰隻個血去查下你嗰啲係咪夠嘅，跟住再補，睇下你要唔要補。平時咧都可以做下按摩啦。你可唔可以俾我睇下你邊度抽筋比較厲害啊？即係小腿呢度係後面係左邊。嗱。頭先我啱講過有個穴位咧，陽陵泉呢度要，同埋足三里都可以幫到你㗎。多做啲按摩，或者係你等陣我可以幫你針下灸，你試下。唔使唔該。好啦。So she feels dizzy quite often. Is there any movement that can help her, like when she's got dizzy?
I would just making sure they're stable.
賓醫生講咧，你最重要，如果你頭暈，你第一件事要保持穩定平衡。第一呢個係一定要坐穩啦，或者係企穩，呢個係第一件事。第二件事回答你個問題咧，如果你頭暈咧，你可以輕輕咁喺屋企咁即係鍛鍊下你個脖子嘅嚇。
I would always investigate like the causes of it as well, because there's a difference between managing the symptoms and also finding what's driving it.
即係你要慢慢咁即係咁樣咧，會促進你嘅血液循環。平時對，但係咧佢又講最好係做下檢查，去了解一下點解你會有頭暈呢個。嘔吐都好犀利。你有冇高？你有冇高血壓啊？即係要。
唔知咩原因？
兩次係咪？
嘔得好犀利。
兩次喺最近。
轉得好犀利。3年一次，3年前一次。
係咁樣。
平時都有啲暈暈地喎。
你都要去做下檢查，或者係問佢問我都去做。檢查冇事。係咩？有時醫生檢查唔到嘅係要去呢個神經或者係中醫可以睇下嘅。
有咩中醫咩運動可以幫下？平
時隻運動係佢啱啱講，即係鍛鍊下你個膊咯。咁 can you demonstrate how to like do this movement for the neck?
I'm not a physio, so I don't give exercises
Okay.
on the body as much, but just general range of motion, so you're
即係佢慢慢咁係轉個頭，再轉翻嚟咁樣。
係咪耳水耳朵入邊嗰個平衡得啊？
呢個我真係而家達唔到，你一定要去查㗎嚇，一定要去查㗎嚇。
唔使理佢
我都有可能。
唔使，等下先嚇，慢慢咁轉下。佢都話啦，你最好去揾佢話揾我去做下檢查係咁樣最好嘅。我唔知邊個係第一唔痛風。
點辦啊？
呢個可以艾灸同埋針灸都好㗎。艾灸係艾灸。
呢隻就好正常㗎，嗱，好少㗎。呢度好大㗎。
你行路嗰時痛唔痛啊？
行路唔痛。
行路冇痛。即係針灸和艾灸都可以㗎。
食藥都得。
你而家有食嗰啲
Diffusion。我食木瓜。佢本嚟痛㗎，食咗木瓜就唔痛，但係
好犀利啊！
未消腫。唔該。
消腫都係可以，艾灸同埋針灸都好，自己按摩一下都可以㗎。夜晚泡腳，會有幫助。針灸係啊，係有幫助嘅。你有問題㗎係痛嚇，有濕有痛嚇。我覺得自己好似行得唔穩陣。好似你咁雙縮都唔可以平放嘅。明白。咁中醫講咧，你有濕咧係你個脾唔夠氣，脾唔夠長。呢個可以你通過針灸啊，或者係食啲中藥啊，可以幫到你㗎。同埋你可以去試下你嘅足健康，即係嗰啲腳健康可以去揾人去檢查下㗎。同埋你都去揾賓佢喺診所，佢有一個係完全係 scan， 即係切你嘅脊椎，你都可以揾佢去檢查一下㗎。先要檢查，先要知道呢個原因喺邊度，咁你先可以對症下藥嚇。唔好意思，我睇到你有冇？你有沒有去那個檢查腳底的健康？沒有去做過。你的鞋是比較合適的鞋，一直都沒有穿高跟鞋之類的。穿鞋吧。不想問。腳抽筋啊，抽筋跟肝有關，可以補一下肝血。對，肝血可以補一下肝血。你可以吃點，不知道這個是要先做一些診斷啊，你可以找我，也可以找他做診斷，看看你的肝是不是需要補。 如果补肝血的话，可以吃一点猪肝啊，猪肝可以就可以补一下的。对，也可以吃一点中药、中成药都可以。
聽得清唔清楚啊？唔知其實應該提問你哋嘅，我試下舒緩一下。
你平時係夜晚抽筋，
同埋咧唔好話重嘅喎，缺乏運動啦。葉子總結概括下，清楚路面冇著藥物嘅影響，有啲安。咁啊，頭先大家咁所以徐醫生腿有力就人不老，路面冇障礙物嚇。
笑啊！笑。
謝謝。
安靜一下。
你都係啦，你仲講到咁多。
開燈，等一下，我燈。
呢個大家安靜，下水嗰度。
就得，大聲少少就得。
笑下啦。
陳龍你好，我哋一齊啲。條巴蟹咁少少。我中意有。係咩？3個老友嚟。到緣分散嘅。
醫生幫你按一陣食完之後，我哋仲有時間喺度提問同埋按原位。依家請大家安靜坐喺度我哋依家派茶點俾大家。我哋今次有啲係報唔到名，其實我哋今次係一個系統啲大概嘅課程。